brought it last year, and he posted it on the moment very often. Remember?
Yeah, I have so many times.
Okay, let's see this package and what's going on here.
I see it's a little big.
This package is very strong, and this is a logo. Okay. See the foam protection.
Oh, what's this?
Looks like a handle.
Maybe.
Okay, what else?
Instructions.
Let me see.
Oh, what's this?
Okay, yeah. This manual has the usage here. Oh, look. Teach us how to write on it.
Yeah.
Okay.
And instruction. Okay, that's okay.
I'm a little excited here. Wow. Wow, it's red. See? It's red. And black.
And it's a little cool, I think.
Can you help me get this out?
Yeah.
Okay. How to take it on? Any button here?
Let me pick up my phone.
Do you want right?
No.
I think the button is this one.
Oh, MAGWheel is his brand logo.
Okay, can you help me to write on it? I'm a little nervous. Oh, finally. It's smooth.
Oh, so fantastic.
It's smooth, and I think I can write it by myself. Okay. Do you want to try? Do you want to try?
Maybe.
Cool. Let me help you. Okay. How do you feel?
I think it's easy to learn, and I like its material. I think it's more smooth in this floor.
So let's get out and ride a park or anywhere else. So let's go.
Okay.
Hello everyone. Finally we came out to try T2.
Today is so hot, but we are so excited.
Yes, it's hot today. And now let's try T2. Please help me.
Okay.